What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back, baby. I said I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello. And a return subscriber, what's up?
I just saw a bad little John exercising, baby, this a peel run. Cougar bitch, fuck her, make her feel young. Got a nigga fuck.
Alrighty, guys, so as you guys can tell by the title of today's video, I was requested to do a bottom lash tutorial. I was so happy to do this for you guys today, so shout out to China. China was the one to remind me to do this. I was requested this before, but it was China that kind of made me be like, okay, yeah, let me go ahead and do this. So yes, I'm super excited to bring this look to you guys today. Bottom lashes are super easy, and I'm going to show you the quick and easy steps you guys can do to, you know, achieve this look. But before we get into the video, before we get into it, I do want to give you guys a big thank you. Thank you guys so freaking much for 15,000 subscribers. I'm literally smiling so hard. I cannot believe that. So let's go ahead and take a moment of silence because that is lit. I just want to thank God. 15,000. I love you guys so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. The team is getting bigger. We are going to hit 20K very soon. I can feel it. Road to 20K, period. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Let me just show you guys the tools that you guys are going to need to achieve this look. Okay, so these are the Ardells Knot Free Natural Lashes, and I use size medium. They look crazy because I didn't have the case on there, but yeah, this is the lashes that I'm going to be using today. Personally, I like to use medium. The reason why I use medium is because I used to use the short ones, but when I use the short ones, when I would put mascara on, I feel like you wasn't really seeing like the dramatic like difference. So that's why I just moved on to medium. So if you're new and you want to try it out, I would say first, it depends on how long your bottom lashes are, but I would say first go ahead and try out the shorter ones, and then you can move on to medium or even long if that's what you need. Okay, this is the glue that I use, and please do not come for me, please do not call me ghetto. I know it's hair glue, but it just works for me. Okay, so don't be checking me, coming in YouTube typing in how to do bottom lashes, or seeing me on the side and being interested in how to do bottom lashes, but then you judging me. Don't do that, don't do that. Okay, I am putting it on, I'm giving y'all my secrets. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the Great Lash mascara. I've been using this literally since I was in middle school. I don't know, I just love this mascara. So you're gonna need a mascara. You are going to need some type of black liner. You can use a pencil or a gel liner. I like to use my gel liner, so I'm gonna go in with that. You will be needing tweezers. I have this shaped tweezers, but you can use the normal ones as well. This is just the one that I grabbed first. So let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. This is actually super duper easy, so yeah. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take my liner. And the reason why you want to line is because it helps with the lashes blending in. So if you don't line it, you're actually gonna see like the dots of glue that you put. But if you put that black liner, it kind of like makes that less noticeable. So let me bring you guys closer. Let's go ahead and do this line. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and take the mascara and apply that. And this is the same reasoning. You should apply mascara because it's gonna help with the blending. So now you wanna take your glue. I'm just gonna put it on the back of my highlighter. There we go. Boop, boop, boop. That's a little too much, y'all. Like I said, don't mind my lashes, they look crazy. But what you guys wanna do is when you grab a lash, you wanna take it, pop it off. So you want the lash curve to be towards you, not away from you, but you want it to come in towards you. That's because with your natural lashes, they're gonna curve in, they don't curve out, they curve in. So it's the same thing. When you place them, you want the false lashes to be curving in towards you. So you literally just wanna dip it into the glue, like so. And then, I'm gonna bring you guys closer one more time. Make sure your tweezers does not have glue on them because I'm telling you, it's so freaking annoying. Typically, I like to put about 5 to 6 lashes on, depending on like how I space them out. That's really all it depends on. So just go in, dip it in the glue, and you want to put it on your lash line and not on your waterline. The reason why is because if you put on your waterline, throughout the day when you're blinking, it's gonna be so irritating. I literally have ripped my bottom lashes off at a dinner table because I was literally like, my eyes were watering, they were so irritated. But yeah, that's all we're doing. We're just going in and we're just placing them. And also I try to get them in between my lashes, my natural lashes, But sometimes I have to place them over my natural lashes, and that's okay too. Like you guys see, you do not have to be perfect at all. That's 3, so I'm gonna go in with 4 today. And I think yesterday I went in with 5 lashes. It really just depends on how that day's going. And as you guys see, I don't like to come in too much here. I feel like if you're gonna come in here, that's when you're gonna have to start changing the lengths, because I don't want long lashes all the way down here. And also I don't go too to the corner because that's gonna irritate your eye. So as you guys see, I just literally leave it right in the center of my eyes. And that's pretty much how it's gonna look. So let me go ahead and do the other lash. I know right now it looks crazy. I definitely recommend you putting on false lashes with this, because if not, I think it looks like a little too much dramatics going on in the bottom and not enough at the top. So that's just definitely a personal preference, and I hope you follow that. But yeah, besides that, let me go ahead and speed up and show you guys how to do this lash. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of today's video. If you guys have any other videos you guys want to request, go ahead and comment that down below. I love getting these videos out for you guys, so you know, just let me know what y'all want to see. Eyebrows, lashes, foundation, and details. I always said if you guys want like a beginner basic series, you guys can also comment that down below. And you know, we can just really go into depth on how to do brows and only that, and how to, you know, do foundation and only that. So yeah, I would love to get that for you guys. But if you made it this far in the video, go ahead and comment a spider emoji, because y'all know them old heads be killing us with the lashes. They be talking about we look like spiders, we look like we gonna fly away. So go ahead and comment a spider emoji, okay, period, because the lashes are gonna be very much giving. Hopefully you guys were able to achieve this look. I love you guys so freaking much and can't wait to get more content out for you guys. So I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.